Hello, welcome to Jason Park's Science Lab. Continuing study on Mars, we will talk about the moons, the Mars moons. Unlike Earth has one moon, Mars has two moons orbiting around Mars, Phobos and Deimos. Here are some size comparisons on Earth, Mars, and other satellites. Earth's radius is 6,400 kilometers. Mars' radius is 3,400 kilometers, about half size of the Earth. Earth moon is 1,700 kilometers, and here are Phobos 11 kilometer and Deimos 6 kilometer. You probably can see small dots here. Mars, the red planet, was named after the god of war, Ares. He was the son of Zeus and Hera, and one of the most prominent, powerful gods of Olympus. Both moons were discovered by 1877 by Asaph Hall. He named Mars moons for the mythological sons of Ares, the Greek counterpart of the Roman god Mars. Phobos means panic or fear, and Deimos means terror or dread in Greek mythology, accompanied by their father Ares, the god of war Mars. Both moons are tidally locked, always presenting the same face toward Mars, just like our moon. Okay, so let's look at the crater names on the Phobos. Here is the Martian moon Phobos mapping. Gulliver, Cross-Trio, Drano, Red Dresser, Stickney, Limtock, Tot, Sharpris, Darest, Fullimnap, Skyresh, Gridrick, Rocher, Stolovsky, Opic, and Laputa Regio. Regio means region. Lagado Planitia. Planitia is a flat, low plain. Capital dorsum. Dorsum means the ridge of a hill. Have you noticed something interesting here? The book Gulliver's Travels. The fictional Laputa is a flying island in the book, and Lagado is the imaginary capital in Jonathan Swift's Gulliver's Travels. I remember that I read this book when I was a child, and we only had two stories: A Voice to Lilliput, Tiny People's World, and A Voice to Broadinock, Giant People's World only, and I wasn't interested in it at all. There were no stories about the third and fourth ones. Recently, I read the whole story again, together with the third voice to Laputa and the fourth voice to Land of the Houyhnhnms. And I found out the awesome thing about Laputa, which is my favorite, and Houyhnhnms. I also found out the meaning of Yahoo. The book is so fascinating. Here is 3D model. Redressa, Cross-Trial Adreno, Gulliver, and here is double craters, Stickney and Limtock, Kepler dorsum, Opic, Shkorovsky, and Laputa Regio. Lagado provincia, Russia. These moons are not spheres. They are more like a irregular shape of potatoes, which I cannot make it a 3D model. The Japanese Space Agency JAXA will set to launch a mission to Mars moon Phobos in 2024. It is said that the final destination is yet to be decided. The mission name is MMX, Martian Moons Exploration. Spacecraft to orbit both Mars moons and put the rover to Phobos. It will launch in 2024, enter Mars orbit in 2025, and plan to return to Earth in 2029. Let's look at Deimos. Only two geological features on Deimos have been given names, Voltaire and Swift. The craters Swift and Voltaire are named after the famous writers. Here is 3D model of Deimos. There are craters here, Voltaire and Swift. So when I go look around another irregular potato-like cutie moon, Voltaire Swift. Thank you very much.